Survival in the wild often comes down to two critical things: resourcefulness and adaptability. One skill that embodies both is handline fishing, a simple, efficient, and versatile technique for catching fish in a survival situation. Whether you're lost in the wilderness or honing your bushcraft skills, mastering handline fishing can make the difference between going hungry and securing a meal. Handline fishing is exactly what it sounds like: fishing without a rod, using just a line, hook, and bait. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and doesn't require complex gear, perfect for survivalists and bushcrafters. Here's what you need to get started: durable fishing line, a variety of hooks, small weights and floats, and bait like worms or insects. If you're improvising, craft hooks from thorns or bones and use plant fibers or threads as your line. Look for areas where fish naturally gather, such as near overhanging trees, submerged logs, or shallow, still waters. Use a gentle, swinging motion to toss your bait in and keep the line taut to feel for bites. When you do, pull in the line carefully to secure your catch. Now it's your turn. Practice setting up and using a hand line before you need it. Build that muscle memory. Add a compact fishing kit to your survival bag today, or experiment with crafting a hand line from scratch to refine your bushcraft skills. Survival is about preparation. Stay resourceful, stay adaptable, and you'll always have the edge.